Hey guys, how's it going? So the first Swiss Army knife we're going to cover, and also part of the EDC everyday carry type thing, is a Evogrip 18. This is obviously made by Victorinox, and it's basically, from the tool set, it is a Field Master with the nail file instead of the small blade. I'm sure there's another model that probably coincides with that. I'm just not aware of it. So starting on the outside, you have kind of the classic Celador scales, but they have a little grip on it. And then obviously they're heavily based on the Wenger Evogrip series, or Evolution series is what I'm trying to say. So the lanyard here, I added. Obviously it does come with the keyring loop. So starting on the outside, you have the tweezers. These do have the plastic tip on them. And you have the toothpick. And on the back layer, you have a number 2 Phillips, basically. And a post 92 or 91 awl has kind of the sharpened edge with the sewing eye in it. You can see the sharpened edge there. You have your typical opening layer. It does have a Victorinox style can opener instead of a Wenger style. Of course, it's got fingerprints on it. And the cap lifter. And flat head, kind of a hollow ground flat head. Get an angle on it or not. And it does have the wire bender. If it was next to the main blade, it could be a wire stripper. I know there's been several places I've seen them called wire strippers. And then this also has the lock on them that a lot of the Wenger nozzle or Wenger knives have. So if you put pressure on it, it locks it in place. Then you have the wood saw. And the scissors. It does have the Wenger style scissors. It's on the blade there. Okay, so now we're up to main blade. And it's kind of a Wenger style with the flat belly, or the larger belly, less of a spear point. And I don't know if I can get it to show, but it says Victorinox Swiss made Delamont. And then in place of the small blade, you have nail file and nail cleaner, which ironically I use quite a lot because I'm always getting junk under my nails. As we can see, I don't always trim my nails like you're supposed to. But again, basically a Field Master with Evolution series grips on it, made by Victorinox with the grippy scales. I guess that would be considered what, a 5-layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5-layer knife with just a couple of back tools. And it is an 85mm, I believe. Yeah. It's about 3/4 of an inch wide. Not too bad for an everyday carry. So thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed, and there will be several more Swiss Army knife videos coming once they arrive. Thank you for your time.